Get a good start. Push in. Shit start. Into it. Right, lift up now. Let's go. Ramp it up. Attack it. Come on, give it to him. There. Good. Good. Stay with him now. Sit up for 5. Let's go. Move. There. Send it. There. Good work, girls. There. Stay with him. Stay with him. Right, up again. Let's go. Pressure. 1. Let's fucking do it to the cans. Go. 3. 4. 5. Good. Build through it now. Let's go. Let's go for another 5 here. Don't drop it off. Build up and chase them. Good. Go on, we're on our can. They're going to go up. Let's go. Go for another 5 here now. After this, now. Push. Push. Good work, girls. Stay with them. There, send. Send. Good. There you go. Swells on the way home. Good. Good work. Good work. Go little green one. Up and over. Attack it. Lift out now. Come on. Don't drop off. Good. Come on, give me 5 now. On this. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good roll, girls. Coming into the can. Come on, lift into the can. Coming up the can. Ready to turn. And turn. Set, go, out. Come on, good turn. Come on, lift. Runner. Runner, on it. Lift there. Good stuff. Sit on it, sit on it. There you go. Little lift here. Use it. Use it. Good. Come on, little lift. Watch your oars. Here we go. Little lift. Use this. Use it. Use it. Use it. Good work, girls. Right, dig out, here you go. Chase the hands. Work. Work. Go. Go. Good work. Good effort. Right, dig it out again. Come on, get hungry. Go. Lift. Good. Good. Use it. Use it. Use it. Good work, girls. Come on. Don't give up. Another little lift here. Lift. Use this run. Use it. There. Come on, it's tough. Let's go. Come on, you tougher. Come on, lift. There. There. Good work, girls. Here we go. Let's go. Use this runner now. Use it. Lift. You got Dickies. Come on, lift. Chase it. Over. 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 Come on. Good work, girls. Right, lift now. Lift. 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 Good work. Right, another little lift here. Set. Go. Over it. Over it. Good stuff, girls. Little lift here. Use this one for me. Hold me out here. Ready, set, go. Up. Over. Come on, over it. Fucking good road, girls. One more. It's yours. Mate.